The Storm Team Forecast with Carson Fitzroy.
Let's look at live Doppler radar real quick. We continue to track these showers and thunderstorms. Parts of this is moving through Smith County as we speak, and unfortunately, this is going to lead to more moderate rainfall over parts of the Longview area. So once again, Smith County encountering quite a bit of rain, and unfortunately, if you're traveling from Tyler to Kilgore to Longview or vice versa, you're going to see some pretty intense bands of rain. Now, let me go ahead and show you what we've seen over the last 24 or so hours, and this is why we're running into all those flooding problems. Here's those 24-hour rainfall estimates rather, and these are just downright impressive. From Kilgore to Longview, where some of that flooding is occurring, these pinks you see on your screen right there, up to 7.6 inches of rain. That is where the heaviest rain has fallen this morning, and also just to the southwest of Longview, perhaps up to 7 inches. Now, take those exact numbers with a grain of salt. I think we're in the ballpark of this, but I do think this radar product does overestimate it just a little bit. So let me go ahead and put this back in motion for you, and I'm going to go ahead and show you where some of this flooding is occurring. Lots of reports of some rescues in Longview. We'll go ahead and zoom in here and pan you out to the east just a bit. And once again, Longview, anywhere along and to the south of Highway 80, that's where the majority of this flooding is occurring. So we'll get you a little closer in. Some flooding reported along Cotton Street, also parts of High Street, that intersection right there, and some other streets, mainly in just south of where you see that label on your screen. That's where we've seen a lot of rain over the last couple of hours. And we're not done yet with that rainfall. I do expect waves of rain throughout the day. And speaking of which, here's some video that was just recently sent in from Longview, and this is at Guthrie Creek and Brushy Creek. You can see how high that water is, and that's just downright impressive. You do not need to be driving in places like that. If you see that on the roadway, turn around and do yourself a big favor, because even if it looks like it's pretty shallow, you do not want to take a chance on it. Let's go ahead and get you to today's forecast, and as you can see on your screen, we'll hit 85 degrees today. So it's relatively cool air. About 60% of us will see those showers and thunderstorms. We're down to about 40% coverage tonight, with lows generally in the middle 70s. Of course, I can't rule out a few storms after midnight tonight, and we might see more waves of rain tomorrow. But mostly in the morning, showers and thunderstorms will be in play. But once again, over your next several days, Sunday into Monday, temperatures will be in the 90s, 80s, and 70s with our next cold front on Tuesday and Wednesday. In Deep East Texas, a lot of you guys have actually missed out on some of those rain chances today, but I can't rule out some rain a little later on in the afternoon once that main complex of showers and thunderstorms pushes through our area. 80s for now, and then we are tracking that cold front by the time we roll into next week with perhaps more rain. Cynthia?
Keep right here. Still more to come on Fox 50.